Hi everyone, it's Haley, Product Manager at Liner Team. Today, I'm so excited to introduce our new research agent, the Peer Review Agent. This tool lets you get expert-level feedback on your paper before it goes through the actual peer review process. By using it, you can spot the areas for improvement in your draft and submit a stronger version, saving both your time and effort. When we ran our beta tests, researchers told us that they were really surprised to see the reviews that looked almost the same to the ones they had received before, showing how high the quality is. So first, let's upload the paper you want feedback on. Just to note, any draft you upload here will never be shared externally and won't be used for our model training. Your content will stay completely private and secure. For today's demo, I will use a famous paper called Attention is All You Need instead of the real draft. Let's see how the peer review agent evaluates this paper. The process starts with paper review and subject exploration. Here, the agent reads your paper and searches for related papers to understand your concept of work. Next, it moves to feedback from peer reviewers. On the right, you can actually see each reviewer agent reading your paper. The peer review agent simulates the real peer review process with 5 AI reviewers, each with different perspectives: novelty, rigor, clarity, impact, and limitation. Each reviewer evaluates your work independently, and you'll be able to read each detailed feedback later on. Each of the 5 reviewer agents writes their own review, reflects on it, makes improvement, and repeats this process several times. So by the time you see their feedback, it's already been refined through multiple rounds within that same agent. Finally, it tests the final meta review. The meta reviewer is consolidating all 5 perspectives and synthesizing them into a single comprehensive review. Let's give it a moment to finish. Now, the result is finally ready. On the left, you will see the full review report, starting with the meta review at the top, followed by the 5 individual reviewers below. Each review contains strengths, weaknesses, and each recommendation. One great feature is the two-way linking between the review report and the paper itself. If you click a block in the left report, you can jump directly to that exact section in the paper on the right. And if you click a highlighted comment in the paper on the right, you can also check each reviewer's comment. This means you can easily check feedback for any specific part of your draft, whether you're reading from the review report or directly from the paper. And that's the peer review agent. Get feedback earlier and save time before your next big submission. This is just beginning, and more advanced agents with even better capabilities are on the way, so stay tuned. Thank you.